Hi guys, thanks for coming back to TechCatAssist. In this video I'm going to show you how to create the shortcuts from Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. I'm getting a lot of phone calls about that, so I just thought maybe I'm going to just put it on the video and just I'm going to upload it to YouTube as well. So in this case I'm going to first start with Google Chrome. Actually, sorry, it's Google Chrome. It's always mixed up with two of them. So I'm on BBC website. Now there's one thing that you can do here is to put the shortcut to bookmark your page. So just click on the star and then you can save it into the folder, click on done. But that's going to be saved in Google Chrome. But if you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, let's say, click on the three dots on the top right hand side, then more tools, and then create a shortcut. So it's going to ask you for the name of the shortcut, and you just click on create, and that should be created on your desktop. So I have it on the second screen, so I'm just gonna bring this up here so I have it here. Okay, now this shortcut, it's gonna open Google Chrome, but I can also put that into the taskbar. So taskbar is the bar on the bottom of your Windows. It's the same one as in Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. So if you want to put that in here, just right click on it and then pin to taskbar. That will come up here on the bottom, you see here, and if you just click on that, that will open the BBC page straight away. So it's very easy access for that. Of course, there's a few options as well. Right click and you can put that in pin to taskbar, which means that if you click on start, pin to start, so it will come up here as well. But I think the taskbar is the best option here. And now if you want to do it the same in Edge, so I'm going to open Edge for you guys. Okay, Microsoft Edge. So there we go. Now Edge has an option pretty much the same thing as in Google Chrome. So if you click top right hand side, three dots, and then you go more tools, and then you just there's two options here: pin to taskbar, pin to start. Now I have both of them already in start and in taskbar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click on this here on BBC and I'm gonna unpin it. So if I'm gonna go back now, more tools. Actually need to close it first. Okay, let's open it in Edge. Put the BBC and then three dots on the right hand side, more tools, and pin to taskbar or pin to start. That will create a shortcut on the bottom on the taskbar. Okay, and that will give you of course the icon is the thumbnail of the BBC taken from the website. So, and that's it, probably, more tools, three dots, more tools, and pin to taskbar. Thanks very much guys for watching, and please like it and subscribe it this channel for me. That'd be I'll be very grateful for this, and see you soon. Thank you.